Hello everyone, welcome to Aasaan Services. Today we'll be talking about the financials module in Aasaan ERP Lite, basically the backbone of any business. If you manage your finance in a effective and a very proper way, I'm pretty sure any business can be successful, right? So we'll talk about all the features we have in Aasaan ERP Lite, so that you can be successful in your business by managing your income, expenses, accounts all together in a organized and a easy way. So let's dive in. So basically, first of all, you'll go to the left hand menu where you'll see finance. So once you click on it, you will see multiple options like the summary, get, received, and all these things. So first of all, let's go to summary. Here you can see, as you click the summary, this page will load up, where on top you can select which year's report you want to check. Then first thing you will see the sales wise and total profit, how much you have made or how much loss you have made. You can see a summary of it. So here you will see all the details, and here you can see the chart as well, how good you are doing in all these months. And you can also select which chart you specifically want to see. So you can do all these things here. Then you can see profit, loss, sales month wise, how much loss and profit you're making monthly. You can see all those things here. Then top 3 highest sales a month, lowest month, then all these profitable months, least profitable 3 months, and then the annual expense total by category. You can see by category it has been categorized, like where you have spent how much. You can see all those things basically. So this is the summary page. Basically here you will see a whole summary of all the financial activities you're performing in the system. So it's very simple and easy to understand. If you just you keep on using the system and come here once a while and check, you will understand it very easily. So that's it for the summary, and let's move on to the next. Now you can see that there is a profit loss module. So here you will see all the information of all the categories that you have created. Like before you use the system, you have to create your categories here, right? In the categories module, whether it's an expense category, whether it's a revenue category, all the categories. Then once you keep on using it, you can see how much invoice in April you have made, and all those things basically, how much loss and profit you have went through. You can see everything. So here is all the report. Below you can see loss or profit and everything. Currently I'm at loss because I'm not maintaining this account properly, so that's why. So that's all you can see from here. You can also take a printout, download Excel report and everything to analyze it in a depth. Then let's go to the ledgers module. First of all, in the ledgers, basically you will see all your payments and all the payments you get and all the payments you make. So all these things you will be seeing over here. It's a payment or it's a purchase invoice payment, whatever it is. You will see all the things here. It's basically the ledger. Here also you can take out the Excel report if it's necessary for you for depth analysis and stuff. Then there is this reports module where you can see multiple reports for different purposes. For if you want to analyze more regarding how your business is going, you can take out different kinds of reports here. Even for legal purposes, you can take out reports like tax report and all those things from here. So let's discuss the reports one by one. So first of all, the first report that you'll see is the sales invoice report. So I'll just select a date, a previous date, and till this date. So you can see here, you will see all the invoice details, like the invoice was created on this date, this is the invoice number, what is the tax type, account name, against whose which account we have created this invoice, if amount is pending or not, and all the other details. Like we can see these columns like discounts and percentage, tax percentage, total cost, total tax amount, total amount, and all these things will be basically displayed here. Basically this report is very valuable for monitoring your sales performance and tracking your invoice amounting and identifying your outstanding payments, right? Basically you can use it to analyze your sales trend and manage your accounts receivable efficiently. So basically that's all about this sales invoice details report. So let's head on to the reports again and check for the next report. So the next report is payment received receipt report. Basically this report is about all the payments that you get from your clients, your customers, that those reports will be displayed here. So I'll just put a date and say view, where you can see all the payments that you have got from your customer will be displayed over here with all the details like the account name, then the amount and what type of payment it was, then the mode of payment, invoice number against which invoice the payment has been made, and all those things. Basically this report will help you, accurately match your records, confirming what payments you have received, and you can gain a clear understanding of your incoming cash flow. Basically that's what this report is useful for. So let's head on to the next report. So the next report is purchase invoice details report. So let's examine this report. So I'll select a date, suppose, and then click on view. So basically you can see this report is details of all the purchases that your business have made from its supplier within a chosen time frame. You can see the invoice number, the date, the supplier name, what items that you have bought from the supplier. Then if you go to the right, you can see the total amount, text amount, and all those details. Basically all the purchase invoice details you can see in one place, so that you can efficiently analyze the flow of your business. So basically this report is vital for managing your inventory, tracking the payments that you owe to your vendors, and also you can review the business expenses over time. So these are some of the uses of this report. So let's go to the next report. So here you can see the next report is payment paid purchase report. Basically this report is similar to the payment received, but this is basically the report of records of all the outgoing payments that your business have made to its supplier during a selected period. Like I'll select the period from, suppose, this till that, and once you click on view, you can see all the details like the vendors, the supplier's name, then the payment date, the amount. You can see all those details. And currently the accounts don't have the GST entered in the number, so it's the GST in column is blank. So if you enter it, this the GST number will be also shown over here. Basically this report will help you track all your vendor payments easily, ensuring that timely settlements are done and maintaining good supply relationship basically. So let's go to the next report. So the next report is accounts ledger report. Basically here you can see all the details of running history of all the transactions associated with a specific account, like for a particular vendor or customer, you can say. So you can see all the transaction details. So we'll select an account, suppose Tata, then we'll select a date, then click on view. So here you can see, or for each transaction within a defined period, you can see all the debits and credits and the balance and everything. Basically the balance is continuously updated as you keep on using the system. Basically this report will allow you to closely monitor the account balances, understand the flow of transaction, and also quickly identify any discrepancies or outstanding amounts. So these are the uses of this report. So let's head into the next report. So the next report is the tax report. So we'll just enter a date here and click on view. So here you can see this report provides a consolidated overview of all the tax liabilities arising from both the sales and purchases. It provides the total amount for collected tax on sales and the paid tax on purchase in both the categories, as you can see. It also calculates the net payable or refundable tax amount. Basically this report will make it easier to manage your taxes by giving you the number that you need to file and stay on track. So legally this report can be used for as a supporting document during tax audit or during when you file the tax return with the tax authorities. So basically these are some of the uses of this report. So let's head on to the next report. So the next report is product wise order report. So basically this will give you the detailed breakdown of the item level transaction for a specific customer or vendor, basically the orders that you make. So let's check in. We'll say give a date, then suppose we'll say Ram's account, and we'll put for you. Then here you can see the item that you sold to the account Ram, the quantity that you sold to him. You can see all those things, the total amount, average price, and all those things. Basically, this report is valuable for analyzing specific item transaction within an individual account, aiding in inventory management and customer specific analysis. So this will be very helpful for all those things. So let's go and check the other reports. So the next report is account wise order report. So basically this report is almost similar to the product wise report, but here you can check, the list will show as per as the, wait, let me not just select anyone, we'll see for all. So as you can see here, instead of the items, it's shown with the accounts. So basically with this report, you can understand how much business you have done with each of your customers or vendors over a selected period of time, and all those things. And you can also filter it out as per the account and item name. So that can be done, but this is basically for this purpose to check, how much business you have done with them. So it will show all the quantities and amounts and average price and everything. So this is one of the very useful report that we have. So let's head in and check for the next report. So the next report is product wise stock in and out report. So let's select the date, suppose this date, then we'll select an item, suppose bicycle, then click on view. So as you can see, this provides a complete overview of all the stock movements for a particular item. It details all the stock in and out transaction along with the transaction type and all the relevant details. So here you can see for the item bicycle at this date, stock in of 100 items was made. This was made manually, so the transaction type is not been mentioned here. And then you can see for same item in this date, so stock out was made through sales invoice, and then on this date stock in was made through purchase invoice. So you can see all the details here. So basically this report is crucial for effective inventory management, allowing you to track the flow of specific product and maintain an optimal stock levels in your warehouse. So basically for all those things, this report is very useful. So let's go and check the other reports. So the next report is order report. So here I'll select the date and click on view. As you can see, basically it is a summarized report of all the orders placed within a chosen date range. It provides key details like the order name, order amount, order start date, order end date, and the account name. As you can see, all those details are mentioned here for your analysis. So basically this report offers a very high level overview of your order flow, helping you identify the trend and plan your operations accordingly. So I hope this will be helpful. So let's move on to the next report. So the next reports are supplier outstanding report and customers outstanding report. Basically this both report will show you the outstanding amount that you owe to your suppliers and that the customer owes to you. So basically the supplier report will show you the supplier name, the total invoice amount, total amount that you paid to your supplier, and the pending amount that you still remaining to pay your supplier. So if you go back and check for the customer report, it is something similar. Here you can see the customer name instead of the supplier name, then the total invoice amount, total amount you have received from them, and the total amount they are still pending to pay you. So basically these reports are vital for managing your account receivable and payable, identifying all your overdue payments, and to ensure a healthy cash flow for your business. So basically these are some of the very important reports to operate daily in a very efficient way. So basically that's all for the financial section. So it's very easy and efficient to use, and there is more and more to it. If you keep on using it, you will understand how easy it is and how easy it will make for you to control your business. So thank you so much for watching, and if there is any confusion or any doubts, to mention in the comments below. And I hope you all like the video. Thank you so much.